Make magical, merry moments with wish lists fulfilled, smiles for miles, and utter delight. This holiday season, you can give joyfully with new, limited edition must-haves from Mary Kay. Delight every spa lover's senses with the scent of juicy pomegranate in a pampering treat. Or give her a mini masking retreat with 2 skin-loving sensations. Elevate her day with a luxe dry body oil in the Peaceful Garden scent. Give winter lips a reason to smile with 2 sets of liquid lipsticks that deliver the perfect anytime shine. Inspire creativity with a cute and convenient 2-piece set that helps sculpt, highlight, and set with perfect precision. Delight her senses with this travel-friendly fragrance set, perfectly packaged for this holiday season. Give her comfort and joy with free fuzzy socks with the purchase of Mint Bliss Energizing Lotion for feet and legs. You can give all your guys holiday greatness with a multitasking set that includes 2 of his favorite scents. Buy a regular line men's fragrance and get this free dop kit, the perfect addition to any guy's grooming routine. Wrap up all this holiday happiness with a set of 3 ready-to-fill, easy-to-share gift boxes. It's so easy to give joyfully with Mary Kay. Contact your independent beauty consultant to get these hot holiday picks before they're gone.